Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my watercolor lessons about figure study, how to draw nude woman figures with watercolor. Hope you will enjoy it and please watch my full video. A figure study is a drawing or painting of the human body made in preparation for a more composed or finished work, or to learn drawing and painting techniques in general and the human figure in particular. By preference, figure studies are done from a live model, but may also include the use of other reference and the imagination of the artist. Here, the composition from my imagination, and I am here using only two colors, burnt sienna and cobalt blue, and leaving white paper white and coloring abstractly create the painting and composition more interesting for the viewers. The live model may be cloth or nude, but is usually nude for student work in order to learn human anatomy, or by professionals who establish the underlying anatomy before adding clothing in the final work. Ultimately, the figure drawing process is designed to help you learn to see living things in natural motion, learn to convey movement through proportions, and practice techniques by foreshortening. They are fantastic ways to create more dynamic drawings. Hope you will enjoy the process, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Have fun. Thank you.